Man, it is too hot for this outside, man. 120 degrees here today. Oh. Shout out to my dude, Sin City Challenger, for the dope ass TK's Garage with the Challenger shirt. Ding. Today, we're going to talk about FoodStamp Chargers and Challengers and how people are being priced out of FoodStamp cars. Yeah, this is ridiculous. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. This is a little bit of a different video. I mean, we are going to talk a little bit about Stellantis. So we all know that the Challenger is retired for now. You can't buy a new one. They stopped making them in 2023. But what you didn't know is the insurance rates, and people get offended when I say the FoodStamp Challenger. I just mean the base model, cheap as fuck model Challenger that you can buy, all right? There's nothing wrong with it. I have people get on to me all of the time. My homegirl, Queen Bee, drives one with a V6, no problem. My stepdaughter drives one, Charger with a V6. It's a great car. One of the things that I find interesting is the insurance rates from a Hemi to a V6 are about the same now. And people are being priced out of base model daily driver Chargers and Challengers. It doesn't matter what you do, they're pricing your ass up out of there. And it's absolutely crazy to me. So I got to link up today with my guy, Sin City Challenger, in beautiful, sunny Las Vegas. And that's hence the beautiful merch. So anyways, I got to link up with him and he was telling me his story. He has, the Hot Wheels Sin City Challenger. If you're on Instagram, you've seen it. Matter of fact, I'll put a picture of it right here, all right? So it's a dope-ass car, right? Dope-ass car. But he had a daily driver, right? And he had a 22 regular V6 Challenger. The insurance rates went from, $150, $200 to $600 every 6 months on a V6 Challenger. Part of that is a Carlos Tavares problem of he knew what he was buying when he bought FCA. He promised to fix the security issues that were going on with these cars and how easy they are to steal. Is anybody stealing V6 Chargers and Challengers? Not really, okay? Professional car crews, maybe, because they're going to sell those body panels for V8s. But everything else on the V6 compared to a V8 with that car is different. They handle different. They have different suspension, different engine. It's a different car, all right? It's a great daily driver. But now they're pricing these at Hellcat insurance rates because of just the nameplate on the car, Challenger or Charger. So like as Sin City Challenger had to do, he had to take that car and trade it in and buy a pickup truck, a GMC, which drastically lowered the insurance rate. And other things that I've seen with Chargers and Challengers are they're offering comprehensive, but they're dropping theft coverage and collision on a lot of these Mopar products. It's not just Mopar. We've seen insurance rates, at least here, and it's not just here, it's everywhere, going skyrocket, right? But one of the things that I found extremely interesting, especially here in Nevada, is they're canceling collision insurance. You can keep liability and comprehensive. If a tornado comes through, which never happens here, earthquake opens up the road and swallows your car, they'll cover it. But if someone rear-ends you, you're on your own. Or you have to switch to a different company. And what they're doing for that is because they can't drastically, they can't take you from $200 a month and the next they renew your policy and it's $800, right? For the next 6 months. They can't do that. So the only thing they can do when they can't drastically increase the insurances, drop different coverages and say, hey, we're just not covering this anymore. And we're seeing that more and more and more. I thought it was really interesting, and I wanted to bring it to you guys and see in your states if you're seeing a similar thing. Look, I have one vehicle that is registered, insured through my company in Nevada, and everything else is in Kansas and Oklahoma. I don't register in North Carolina. I don't register anything here just because of how expensive it is. It's so ridiculous. The insurance rates, I'll give you an example. What I pay on insurance for the Cadillac covers 2 Chrysler Aspens, a Challenger, and a pickup truck in Kansas. That's ridiculous. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Again, major shout out to Sin City Challenger for the dope ass merch. And yeah, as always, stay petty, my friends.